Hello everyone, welcome to Learn with Pranav. In this video I have discussed about protein in a very simple way. Read the introduction of the protein. Oh, this is a painful scene. Let's take a closer look at what's happening. There are pain receptors in our muscles that receive the pain. To understand this, let's zoom in. These are the neurons. Nerve networks are responsible for the sensation of pain. They send the pain signal from this person's big toe to his brain almost instantly. What roles do protein play in sending that pain signal? Our nerve networks are made up of individual cells arranged end to end like a telephone line to transmit the pain signal. The receiving end of each cell in the line contains special protein on its surface called receptor protein. The receptor proteins are responsible for picking up the signal and passing it along the nerve. Did you notice that these nerve cells are not round? Instead, they have grown branches which are called dendrite, which help them communicate with their neighbors in the line. Special proteins called structural proteins help cells extend these branches and hold them in place. Structural proteins are like bricks stacking together to form column-like supports that give the cell its shape. These proteins are just two of thousands that help the nerve cell do its job. Every cell in your body is just as complex. Notice the dendrite here. In real life, proteins are a lot smaller than these. Even with the most powerful electron microscope, you would have trouble seeing them. Scientists use computer programs to model protein structure and function. Cells use the information encoded in their genes, which are a set of protein library, as the blueprint for making proteins. Each gene in the DNA encodes information about how to make an individual protein. When a cell needs to make a certain protein, specialized machinery within the cell's nucleus reads the gene and then uses that information to produce a molecular message in the form of RNA, ribonucleic acid, a molecule very similar to DNA, that is deoxyribonucleic acid. In short, we can say that informations present in DNA are copied and then these informations are traveled to the cytoplasm in the form of RNA. That RNA has a special name. We call it mRNA, that is messenger RNA. DNA cannot come out of the nucleus, that's why the information in DNA is copied by the mRNA. Once made, the protein travels to the part of the cell where it is needed and begins to work. Each step in making a protein itself requires the work of highly specialized proteins. Can you see why a cell needs thousands of different proteins to function?